What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in this video I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Truist Bank's online banking account. Now before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this, and let's move forward. So the first step, you want to search for Truist Bank login and click on the first link over here. It'll take you to this website. Over here, click on where it says sign in, and once you do that, click on where it says register now over here, and it'll take you to its registering page. Over here, choose the type of bank account you have, and if you want to create a business account, click on this register now. If you just want a personal account, just choose the type of information you would like to use to register into, like Truist Bank. After that, fill up this form like a debit or your ATM card, because I chose that option, and your PIN number and your zip code and your email address over here like this, and just click on where it says continue, and it will still ask you for some more information. After providing all the information, an account under that information will be created. So hope you guys found our video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.